Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I am back with another Cupshe try-on haul. So big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me. You guys know I have worked with them and loved their swimsuits, their clothing, their dresses, their everything for so long, and they are celebrating their 8th birthday this month, and I'm super excited to be working with them on today's video. I do have a coupon code that they provided. It is KF15, and that'll save you 15% off your order of $65 or more. I cannot wait to show you the things that I got because they're so cute. Before we geared up to the swimsuits, I wanted to do some swim cover-ups and just some cute summer dresses to show you that they have like literally everything you could want on their site. They've got activewear, they've got swimsuits, they've got dresses for special events, they've got cover-ups, which is something that I really wanted to focus on for this haul because I have a lot of bathing suits. I love bathing suits, but I really didn't feel like I had a lot of cover-ups. So let's start with some beach cover-ups, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you, talk you through some sizing. All of my sizes and the exact products that I mentioned will be in the description box down below, and I'm gonna talk you through why I chose what sizes I did and how they fit. So let's start with this first one. This is my favorite. First of all, I love this green. It's kind of like an olivey, sagey sort of green. Stunning. I feel like this color goes with so much. It goes with navy, black, white. This is just one of those like skirts that are long, and I don't have one of these. Like I, for cover-ups, typically will use just like a button-up, or I have a sarong from them as well, but I don't have like a long maxi. With this giant slit is stunning. With just a basic bathing suit, throw this on for like a beach, like vacation, or like just covering up, feeling more covered up. It is kind of like a linen-y-esque like material, but it dries really fast, which obviously is important if it's a swim cover-up. I did go with a medium. I am not somebody who likes that where it like cinches in at your stomach and gives you the muffin top, so I knew that looser is better. But they do have this big elastic band in the back, so you could go true to size if you wanted, but if you don't want to risk it, I would just go to a medium. My waist, I think, is like I wear pants size 26, but my waist dimensions I think are like a 27 or something like that. So love this, super cute detail of this little knot in the front and then just slits out. Stunning. I believe they have other colors in this as well, but I knew I wanted this since I go for really neutral swimsuits for the most part with like basic patterns. But yeah, I absolutely love this and I'm so happy to have it in my collection. Next, for a swim cover-up, this is so fun and so beachy. This isn't like my everyday like going to the, I have a pool at my gym. I'm not gonna wear this there, but I would wear this on like a beach vacation, which I think we're planning one for September, like a solo, just Scott and I, to someplace tropical. We haven't decided where we wanna go, but we've got Granny locked down for babysitting Arlo, so we need to go someplace fun. Something that we always do is we save our tax return that we get from Arlo to treat ourselves to a nice vacation. I don't know, it's just something that we've done for the last 2 years now. And so this dress, oh, stunning. Over any sort of bathing suit, or you could always put like a little slip under it and wear it, or like a bodysuit or something and wear it just like it is. But I loved this over the top of a bathing suit. It's so cute with black, or you could do like a very neutral bathing suit under here as well for more subtle. But this is really cute, crocheted with the tassels down at the bottom, adorable. Low back, you can completely adjust this because it just has a tie detail. It's so soft, it's so squishy, but it's soft and plush, and I love that it's super breathable, obviously because it's knit and crocheted, but so cute. Again, I like the white. It can be paired with so many different bathing suits. So yeah, love this and so happy to have that in my cover-up collection. We've got more cover-ups. This guy right here, I like this color so much. I feel like I never gravitate towards colors like this. This is more of like, you want to be fully covered up. It's still too sheer to wear by itself, I would say, because you can see my bathing suit underneath it, but it's just a long, like kind of midi maxi dress with some bunching down at the bottom or at the bust line. This would be perfect for throwing on to go grab lunch or just feeling more covered up, like you're running to the grocery store, something like that. Like you're covered, but you're still like bathing suit showing, you know? Cute, very basic, very simple, nice, same sort of like linen-y, breathable material as that skirt. And you can't go wrong with just a basic plain dress to throw on over your swimsuit so you feel more put together and like dressy, but still like casual and covered and casual. It's perfect. Cause I feel like I always throw like a t-shirt or like a button up, but then your butt is still like not like exposed. It's not a full outfit. So that is just quick and easy. This next guy is my last like cover up. And this could be worn both ways. So I did show this with a little slip underneath it. The slip is a little bit short, but I didn't extend the shoulders enough. But this could be worn over the top of a bathing suit or could be worn with like a little mini dress underneath. Again, same kind of material as the skirt and that blue dress that I just showed. Love this. I love a basic clean white deep plunging V with this little collar. You guys know I'm obsessed with button ups. This is basically like a bougier button up, but this is cute. This can be worn, like I said, as a full dress, or you can throw it on as a quick and easy pool cover up. This I would wear day to day, like to our gym pool, but also could be worn with like some fun colorful heels and a fun sun hat and be super cute for beach vacation vibes. If you have any beach vacations plans coming up, let me know in the comments down below. Where are you going? I need to know. I need some ideas. I guess you could use this as a beach cover up, but I did not. I bought this because I love sweater tanks and I feel like now I can finally wear them because in Dallas it's like already 100 million degrees and it's like there's really no spring, and we're still technically in spring here. So I love this, but I feel like you could wear this with jeans if it's a little chilly. You could wear it with shorts. This is nice because it is like not sheer, is what I'm saying. So you can wear this as a full top. You don't have to like worry about seeing through it or anything. Love this, love the grays. Comes in a couple of other different colors as well. I thought this was just so freaking cute. Love it with jeans, some cute shoes, and just so like easy and put together. It's like sweater, which I love sweaters throughout like the whole season. Like I like tankless sweaters, tank top sweaters. I just think they're really cute and different for what you would think to gravitate towards for summer, and I think that can be easily dressed up with some trouser shorts or trousers worn to a nice like dinner. Would be really cute. I have probably 3 or 4 striped dresses from Cupshe, and every time I see one, I'm gonna get it. Like, because I love them that much. I wore the one that like crisscrosses in the front. I'm pretty sure it's still on their site. I will like show you a picture if it's still available. I wore that to the pool. I've worn that out to a nice dinner in Mexico. So when I saw this, I was like, yes. Like, first of all, I love their like materials on this is like, it's linen-y, so nice, so structured for such a fun, just like boxy dress. I'm obsessed, okay? So you guys know can we tell I like stripes? So I love this big cuff detailing, and it's a true like shirt dress. It's pretty oversized, which I like. I'm pretty sure I got this in a medium as well because they wanted it to be like, in fact, very oversized. I like these sort of dresses as oversized. It's just like one of those things where, I don't know, I just feel like it looks more elegant and put together when it's oversized, if that makes sense. Cute sandals and you're good to go. But the selling point on this one was this cute crisscross back. I love that. I feel like it just adds some interest. It's longer in the back than it is in the front. This is so good in terms of like, you could wear this like out to a picnic. I'm very particular about wearing dresses like where I can't like fully sit down and my dress doesn't cover my bum if I'm gonna be like outside and stuff. So this is nice because I could wear this with my son and not worry about anything popping out. It is so freaking cute. I'm gonna wear this actually to Arlo has like a summer, like intro to summer party at his school today, and they have like a Kona ice truck coming, and then we're gonna go to the pool afterwards, and I'm gonna put my bathing suit on underneath this, so you could wear it as a cover up. But then I'm also gonna wear it after the pool without my bathing suit and some, you know, undergarments. So this is so freaking cute. If you get one thing from this haul, I swear it should be this or this, you guys. Okay, you know I really hate wearing no bras with dresses. So I'm a sucker for anything that has a built-in bra, and this is phenomenal. So this is double lined up at the top, and it really feels like my sports bra. Like, it's so good, but it's not like got a bra band or anything like that. So it does separate where the bust is, and it's double lined front and the straps, and then it's just single lined throughout the rest. But it's a thicker material, so I feel like it really does like hug you in, and it's like tapered in, so you will definitely see, like, I look curvy in this dress and I don't feel like I'm naturally like curvy. This is like a midi length dress, so stunning. I feel like you could dress this up by throwing like a little sweater over the shoulder, but if you want to show off, the best part about this dress is the back. This twist open back is so cute. But I think by throwing on like a nice little sweater over the shoulder, it can be like day to night, or just like classy it up a little bit if you'd like. Make it a little bit more timeless, make it a little bit more, like I said, more classy, I guess. I think it's so cute. I've been loving black and white together. Again, I'm like calling out everything I'm wearing, but I've been loving black and white together. I just think it's, I don't know, I feel like typically you don't think of black being a big summer color, but black and white has been so fresh and so clean for me this summer, and I'm obsessed. I'm talking about summer as if it's here already. It's not here, but it's been like 80s, 90s, so like I'm gonna take it. But this dress is perfection. Like, it really does hug, and like, it's good. When I saw it, I was like, oh. But then when I put it on, I was like, oh. Love it. All right, you guys, so that is it. That's everything that I picked up for my little Cupshe summer try-on haul. So big shout out to them for celebrating their big 8th birthday this year. If you guys have not checked out Cupshe, I highly recommend it. They're always running amazing sales, but you can use code KF15 to save 15% off your order of $65 or more. They've got everything you could possibly want, so I definitely recommend downloading the app. That's my favorite way to shop. And big shout out to them again for partnering with me on today's video. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video really soon.